I'm Danielle Citron. I'm a professor at UVA Law School. I'm the director of the Law Tech Center, and I've got a new book coming out called The Fight for Privacy: Protecting Dignity, Identity, and Love in the Digital Age. I interviewed about 60 people for the book. Women, LGBT individuals from the United States, the United Kingdom, Iceland, and India. And Joan's experience is resonant with so many people's experiences. Joan had recently graduated from law school, and she was at a hotel for a client deposition. And when she got home from her work trip, she got an email from someone called Not a Bad Guy Too. And the email included a video clip of her showering and going to the restroom. And the person wrote in the email, "I've posted this to Pornhub and to several other adult sites. If you want me to take it down, you have to send me videos of yourself masturbating and more nude photos." We spoke on the phone. I said, "You're absolutely not sending him." You know, she knew intuitively she shouldn't send him more nude material. That was an attempt at what we call it sextortion. And so she didn't respond in the 24 hours. He posted the video on countless adult sites. He emailed the video to her work colleagues. The project of trying to get these videos taken down took an extraordinary amount of time. She took down her LinkedIn profile. She shut down her Facebook page, her Twitter account, like all the ways that social media allowed her to connect with other people was how he was exploiting her. So she experienced 3 kinds of intimate privacy violations. The non-consensual taping of her in an area in which she expected privacy, her shower and her, in the bathroom. The person then tried to extort, or it's called sextortion, attempted to get her to then give him, or the person, more nude images. And then he posted, it's called non-consensual, we call it non-consensual pornography. He posted the nude photo of her on countless sites in ways that it was impossible for her to be able to get down, and in ways that these sites ignored her requests because they don't have any responsibility. She lost her sense of safety. She withdrew from friendships. She put off marrying her then fiance because she said, "How can I move on with my life in any way? How can I have a wedding and invite everyone? I feel unsafe." And every time her phone would act funny or her computer would act up, she thought, "He's back again," right? So her sense of safety was pierced, right? She couldn't, in some sense, reclaim her life. I found in my research over 9,500 sites whose raison d'etre is intimate privacy violations. These 9,500 sites, is there anything we can do? Well, what we can do is amend the law that immunizes these sites from responsibility. We need to educate ourselves, teachers, parents, schools. We can't pretend like intimate privacy violations are like somebody else's problem. It's our problem. Privacy for me is privacy for thee, right? We're all in this together. And so we need to have education efforts so that it's as natural as brushing your teeth in the morning. We think of as our obligation to one another is our intimate privacy expectations, that we owe that to one another.